everyone, Tina here. I hope your day's going fabulous. I'm back again with the Spellbinders Monster Birthday Collection. A few items from it. I thought the monster was just adorable, so we're going to make a card using this. We're going to actually make him dance today. This is the Dancin Birthday Monster set. And then I love the glasses in here. We're going to add some glasses to our card and to our little monster. And then I'm also going to bring back the Make-A-Wish Arch Labels die set. So we're going to start by doing some die cutting. And I'm going to use some, I thought we'd fancy it up, and I'm going to use some of the Spellbinders glitter cardstock. And I fanned it out to show you all the colors in this pack. This is the Spring Toned Assorted Glitter Cardstock pack. And there's 5 different glitter pieces. I mentioned the glitter cardstock before, that the back side's got a real smooth, but it die cuts beautifully with the Spellbinders dies. And I love the bright colors of these, and we're going to use this for our monster. And I thought we'd die cut out a whole bunch of glasses with the glitter cardstock. Okay, so we're going to take some smaller pieces. Okay, so we have some glitter cardstock. And this is a no-shed glitter too. I'm using mostly the glitter cardstock for our background with the glasses, and for the monster body I'm going to use the pink. But if you don't have glitter cardstock, you don't have to. You could use regular cardstock also, because I'm going to throw in some regular cardstock pieces too. Okay, for the glasses, I want a variety, so we're going to take probably 4 sets, and we're going to die cut out these. These look like glasses from the 50s. And then these look like Ray-Bans. Actually, these ones, I'll take that back. These ones kind of look like glasses. These look like those Top Gun glasses. I don't know what they're called. These look like John Lennon glasses. I think this is a nice variety. They even have little flowers I thought were so cute. Okay, so those are the glasses. I'm going to die cut them out with the green, the light pink, the blue, and then the dark pink. And I'm also going to take the monster body and die cut it out with the pink glitter cardstock. I have some regular pink sand cardstock. We're going to die cut out the tummy, well actually the arms of our monster, and also the legs, which is the dancing part because it has that hole. And then we have black cardstock for the eyes. This piece here, oops, I need some white cardstock. Okay, let's bring in some white. White, I want some big eyes for my monster, and so this piece here, I'm going to just die cut this piece out with white cardstock. But this has the large eye, and then it has the fangs or the teeth that go on the monster. I'm going to die cut this out with white. I'm going to do it twice because I need 2 eyeballs. And then this piece, there's 2 similar ones, a large one and a small one. We're actually going to use them both. This one we're going to die cut out with the blue. This is Island Blue cardstock. And then this one I'm going to die cut out with my black cardstock. And of course we're going to die cut it out twice because I need 2 eyeballs. Okay? Now with this piece, it has the monster horns in here. And I'm going to die cut out the horns and the tummy with Beeswax cardstock. I'm going to die cut out everything at once just to make it easier. I'm bringing in our arches. And this is the second to the largest. I'm going to die cut this out with some white cardstock. And while we're die cutting, I'm going to bring in something for my background. I'm going to use my Postage Edge die set. This is my Postage Edge rectangle die set. I'm so glad Spellbinders brought this back in stock. This has pierced detail, or dotted detail. Sometimes it pierces, sometimes it doesn't. Depends on how thick your cardstock is. But this will mat perfectly on the inside of the Postage Edge. I'll die cut the Postage Edge with white cardstock, and then this piece I'm going to use after we adhere some glasses to our background. Okay, so I'll put this to the side. I'm going to run everything through my die cut machine and let's create a cute little dancing monster. I have everything die cut out and we're going to create our monster. So I'm going to zoom in and then we will work on this guy. This is the base. It cuts out a slit where you put the teeth. So let's grab the teeth. I'm going to take this. Let me grab my tweezers. Maybe it will be easier. Let's grab this. And I'm going to slide it in the mouth of the monster. Like so. I'm going to flip it around. And I'm going to secure it with, right now, a piece of my best ever craft tape. Just so I know that's not going to go anywhere. Okay, we have the tummy. I'll use my glue. And now I'm using the glitter cardstock, but if you die cut this out, there is deboss detail, so you know exactly where to put it. With the glitter cardstock, it's a little hard to tell where exactly to put it. But I'm thinking the tummy looks good about right there. Okay, this is our dancing feet. We have our arms. I'm going to add some glue here. Add our arms. So far so good. Now we have the little horns. Are these pieces. We have our little horns. What I'm going to do is add a little dot of glue. And then I'm going to bring my monster to those horns. Okay, now for the eyes, we have blue. We have the white base. We have the white, the blue, and the black. What you do is just layer them all together. When you die cut out the white, there's deboss detail, so you know where basically to put this. So let's add the blue. On the blue, there's deboss detail too, so you know exactly where to add the black. Okay, add a little bit more glue. And then we add our black pieces. And it lines up. And those are our cute little eyes. And I do want to mention Spellbinders in a package that looks like they're let me show you. Let's see. In a package that looks like they're Color Essential Gems, they have eyes that are stickers in different sizes and colors. Are super cute. That look like this, but they're like, I would say, epoxy. You know, it looks like there's glossy accents over them. I'll link them down below, but these go perfect with the monsters. I'm going to add a little dimension to the eyes, so I'm going to bring in some small foam squares. And again, there's deboss detail that will tell you where to put the eyes. But since these are monsters and you can mix and match, you can put the eyes anywhere you want. And I'm going to make my eyes a little wonky. Now to make the dancing part, we need to put it on our background, and our monster is almost done. I do want to add some glasses, and I'm not sure which ones I want to add. Let's see. I die cut out lots of glitter eyeglasses here. I ended up gluing down the green glasses on this cute little guy. So cute. Now with the rest of my glasses, I'm going to take a background panel. I'm actually going to take some white cardstock. We don't have to go all the way to the edge, and I don't have to go in the middle because this is going to cover it. So basically I want to add a little bit of the glasses around the outside edge here. You could mark it with a pencil, but I think we can just eyeball it. I'm going to add my glue, and I have a glob of glue on the end here. I got to wipe it off. Okay, let's add some glue behind here. You could use white liner sheets behind this glitter cardstock too. And I'm just going to fill in the background, kind of mixing and matching the colors so no two are next to each other, with some eyeglasses, a little glitter. So I have a background filled, and I did end up using a pencil and marking where my archway went, and then I also marked where this die is going to go, just so I know I have all my bases covered. I'm going to die cut this out. Now I'm going to take this panel and make sure that this archway will cover everything. I think that looks so playful and so fun. Okay, let's glue this down, and I'll use my tape runner for this. I'm going to add it to my postage edge. And then for my card base, I have an A2 panel of Chamomile cardstock that is a card front panel. So it's 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches. I went ahead and adhered that to my card base. And then I'm going to take this panel and I'm just going to directly adhere this to the front of my card base. I hope our Tuesday's going wonderful, by the way. And after we have this adhered, I'm going to take this archway. We're going to stamp our greeting. I'm going to be using the Monster Birthday stamp set. There's a little greeting in here that says Little Monster. Let's grab an acrylic block. And I'm going to stamp this with my black ink at the very bottom here. And I think it fits perfectly. Okay, to create the shaker element, what I'm going to do first is pop this up with some foam tape, and I'm going to adhere it in the middle of this card. It's so cute. And then to create our Dancin monster, so easy. I place the feet here with the circle. Make sure it's centered. I'm going to bring in a small foam square. And you would think that this would have to be a circle to make it dance, but it doesn't. You could use the Spellbinders small foam squares. It works perfect. And then you take the monster. I put some foam squares behind the upper portion of my monster. Putting it on the upper portion, anything below the arms, I'd say don't go, because if it sticks on your legs, it's not gonna, your legs won't dance. I'm gonna adhere my monster right in the center. And that is our Dancin monster. So cute. Okay. I'm not going to add any bells or whistles. I think this guy looks cute and there's lots of glitter going on. Off my card today for Try It Out Tuesday. I hope your Tuesday's going great. Thanks for joining me. I created another card with some items from this collection, and I'll leave that video at the end in case you missed it. But today we used the Dancin Birthday Monster and a few extra items from the Monster Birthday Collection over at Spellbinders. Have a great day. Thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.